Afternoon all. Right, I left Glencoe, whoops a daisy, there, get miles out, headed down the A828, down past Appin, through Locharan, yeah, whatever, down here, through to Connell, sorry pencil, through to Connell, through the A85, and I stopped at Taynuilt is Taynuilt, I think, and I stopped there at the harbour. I haven't got much sort of footage simply because it was raining, windy, it was very pants. So that's where I stopped the other night, because I've made this a day or so afterwards. So yep, so I'll put that footage in and then off we jolly well go. Right, this is Taynuilt, and this is lol.the, heading up there. There is, I think, fishing, but it's in cages up there. I don't know what you call it, can't remember. It's quite bleak up there. I've just waited now for an hour or two to see if the sun will come out, or the wind will break, or the rain will break. So the wind is still winding, and over there, I'm going to zoom in slightly. That is an ironworks over there. I did want to fly the drone over there, but I'm afraid I can't because of the wind. And that was going yesterday. So this is goes out heavenly good out to the sea. This one, oh, I've seen a swan in here this morning. There's the pier there, and as you can see, the clouds are quite low. Ooh. And that wind is very windy, and it's a nice park up, but as you say, it's pretty isolated, and it is pretty rocking and windy, as you can see on the back of the Betty B. And those black things there, which amaze me, are mussel floats. Anyway, this is Bonawe, pig iron smelting works. It is closed, but the top gate's open, so I'll just come in because that's what I'm like. So it's supposed to be a well-maintained place, and good for rummaging around. There you go. And in 1791 or 1792, they made 48,000 cannonballs. So there you go, Cannonball City. And whew. There you go, that's looking up the chimney. Oh wow, misses. As you can see, it's a bit windy, but there you go. It's closed, but the top gate is open, so I'll come in a little rummage. And as you can see, I think it's about £5 to get in. If there was an honesty box, I'd put a £5 in, but I can't seem to find an honesty box. So there you go. So quite an impressive place, really. And here comes the bleeding rain, even though it's nice out.